HBO Max and Roku finally struck their deal, and HBO Max is now available on your Roku. So what does this mean for you, and how do you get it? Well, that's what we're going to talk about today. Hang with me. Let's dive in. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. If this video is helpful, don't forget to give it a like. Now, if you need to get HBO Max on your Roku, there's a couple things you should know. If you already have the HBO app on your Roku, then it will automatically update eventually. But if you log into your Roku, or if you turn it on and you see that the HBO logo is still there, the old one, you just hit the star key on your remote. It will pull up some options here, and you can check for updates. So you check for updates. I did this morning, and I had to update the app manually, and voila, there I go. I've got HBO Max. If you've never had HBO on your Roku, then you simply go over here to your streaming channels, and if you go to New and Notable, it should show up right up top. You can also go to Movies and TV. It should show up there as well, or you can go the old-fashioned way and just search for it, right? So you can use the voice search, or you can go to the search feature on the streaming channels. You can search channels there and get it that way. All right, so once you've got it downloaded, what can you expect? Well, when you log in, it's going to be the same as HBO Max on any other platform, if you've used other hardware platforms. If you haven't, then essentially it's going to look a lot like HBO used to, but just with some more shiny new toys than you used to have. All right, so if I log in here, now I have HBO plus all the other stuff. So it is being a little bit slow to load up. I think my Roku is being a little slow today. But anyway, once we get in here, we've got their notable shows, the stuff that you can continue watching, your list, and on and on. Once you get down here, you are going to see a lot of stuff, like I said, that you didn't get on regular HBO, on HBO Go or HBO Now or whatever app you were using before. If you go down far enough, this is maybe my favorite part of the HBO Max app, is these hubs. So you can go to just the regular HBO content, or you can go down here to these hubs. DC, Studio Ghibli, Crunchyroll, Adult Swim, a lot of great hubs for you to find good content. My favorite one, honestly, for me, is probably the Turner Classic Movies. They do a great job curating a collection there. Anyway, I'll leave it to you to go ahead and explore the new HBO Max app on your Roku. If you want a full review of HBO Max, I do have one of those, so you can check that out here. I'll put a link in the description, I think. So yeah, go check out a full review of HBO Max. Anyway, what does this mean for us as far as viewers? Not much. I don't have a lot of details on what exactly the deal was that HBO Max and Roku worked out as far as content sharing and that sort of thing. So there could be more information to come, and I'll plan to deep dive on this a little bit later. But for now, what it means essentially is that Roku is no longer in that second category, that second tier of streaming devices for me. The absence of HBO Max was kind of a deal breaker for me, honestly. But now that it is here, Roku vaults again up to at or near the top of my streaming device list. I kind of still like my new Chromecast, but yeah, the Roku's pretty good too. Anyway, if you have any questions and I'm able to answer them, I'll be happy to. Just hit the comments below. Let me know what you think of this development. Are you finally going to sign up for HBO Max? Are you going to boost their numbers? Because they've had a little bit of trouble getting subscribers, and I suspect this is part of why. So are you finally going to give it a try? Let me know in the comments. Again, if this video was helpful, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.